Hi everyone, I have a project I'd like to share with you all, and it's a project using a double-sided adhesive sheets with your dies, and then you adhere them onto your projects. It's just another easier and a faster way to adhere your projects, especially with your dies that are very intricate, instead of using your liquid glue. So this is the double-sided adhesive sheets that I've got here that I purchased in an online store here in Australia. You get a pack of 10. It's by Crafts for You. And then what you do is you run your die with your pattern paper with your adhesive sheets, and then you peel it off and you just stick it onto your project just like this. So especially for your intricate word dies like these ones that I've got here, instead of using your liquid glue and trying to line it onto your word die, then adhering it onto your project and then having some of the glue smeared around it, this is just another great way to just peel it off and then you just stick it onto your projects. And I'm going to show you how to create one of these cards using the adhesive sheets and your die, and then how to put them onto your projects. So we're going to make, well, I'm going to make another one of these cards with the word die, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you need first is your project, wherever it is you're going to use it. I'm just going to use one of my blank cards here, and I'm going to make another similar card like this one. So I'm going to use the congratulations word die, which is this one here, and I'll use the heart die. I've got another one here. So these ones I purchased online. I'll put everything down below for you if you wanted to purchase these word dies. I know these ones came with a few more other word dies, but I haven't got them on here. So yes, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the second size from the top and then the next size. And you will also need some pattern paper. I've got here a combination of Kaiser Crafts paper pad. They're 6.5 by 6.5 paper pad. That's what I've used for these projects, and I'll also use it for this one that I'm going to show you. And you'll need these sticker sheets. So let me just grab one of the sheets out. I'll put this one to the side. You also need your die cutting machine and your plates as well. So let me just get everything out of the way first, and so then I can show you what we're going to do. Okay, so I've already pre-cut the smaller hearts already onto my onto the sheet and through the cutting machine, just to save time. So I'll put them to the side, and we'll cut out the large heart shape, and we'll do the word die through the machine so I can show you. So this is the double-sided adhesive sheet, and what you're going to do is you grab your die that you're going to use, and you're going to cut it out onto your pattern paper according to the size of your die. So once you've got that cut out, so I've already pre-cut my one, I'm going to now grab the pattern paper, and then I'm going to just slide it onto the sticker sheet. They're both white, so it doesn't really matter which side you cut your paper at. I usually take it out about 1/8 of an inch out from the sheet of adhesive, and then I'm just going to cut it just like that. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to then peel off one side of the adhesive. Just being very, very careful when you peel it. Just leave your fingers at just one corner of it, and then you take off that back bit, which we don't need now. So this part here is a sticky part. Try not to get your fingers on there, because once you've got your fingers on there, you will come off the back of the paper. Then we just adhere that pattern paper on the top, just like that. And that should stick onto one side, and then this side here has the other side. And then we'll just take your die and we'll place it onto your cutting machine. I'm just using my mini cut and go cutting machine instead of bringing my large C6 one over here onto the camera. So just lay that on your plate, and then we'll run that through. And then your heart shape should have been cut out. So that's my heart shape, and then it's still stuck on the back of here, so we won't cut that out just yet. So I'll just place that there with the other two that I've done. And now I'm going to grab the congratulations word die. I'll do the same. I'm just going to get some paper. So what we do here, I just tend to grab my word die, line it onto your pattern paper, cut it out, just like that. And then you grab your sticker sheet again, and we're going to line that paper onto your sticker sheet again, just about 1/8 of an inch just off the sticker. And I'm just going to cut that just like that, and then peel off one end. If I can get that out. Okay. Again, just making sure you just keep your fingers at the very corner of it. And then I'm just going to stick that paper onto the sticker side. And just press that on. I'm just going to cut off this little bit here because I don't want that sticker bit to go through the machine. Okay. Alright, so that's stuck on, and then we'll just lay that on your plate. And then your word die or your intricate die, and place the other plate on top, and then we'll run that through. Okay, just move that to the side, and then that should also pop out. And I'll just take all that. I'm just going to grab my little what do you call it? One of those little, what do you call these picker things, to just poke out the little bits of that we don't need. So just get all of them out. Okay. So that's your word die that's still got the adhesive stuck on the back. Now we're just going to, I'm just going to assemble them all onto my card. So this is your word die. So, oh, and I've also, with this heart here, I've raised it with a foam just to give it more dimension. I've already pre-cut my foam through the die cutting machine, which is the same shape as that one. So this is the one that we've cut out with the adhesive. So all we've got to do now is we just peel that off. I don't need that. Now that part's a sticky bit. I'm just going to now stick it onto the foam. Instead of using the glue, it's just a quick way to adhere it. So there we go, it's already stuck on. So now I've got these two here that I've also already die cut onto the sheet. I'll peel that off. Or before I peel that off, I'm just going to lay it on here first so I know where I want to lay it. So I'm going to do it like that. Okay, so I'm just going to peel that off now. And I'm just going to lay that underneath so I kind of know where I want it. And once that's stuck on your project, it's basically on. You can't sort of, it's not a reposition adhesive. So once it's stuck on, it's on. So just make sure you know where you want to lay your dies onto your project. So I'm just going to stick the next one about there. So that's how you do it, is you just peel off the back, and then this one here doesn't have the adhesive, so I'm just going to just put some liquid glue on here because I've already adhered it to the other side of the foam. Right, so then I'll stick that onto here in the middle, and then this is the word die that we've cut out, so we can just peel that off now, and it just comes off, so it's like a sticker. And that part is the part that's on the white backing sheet, and then we can just now stick that on. Oh, I forgot to take that. Just 1 second, I just got to take that. It's not too late for me to take that one out. Sorry, I just got to take that little. Okay. And then we can just stick that on here instead of using the liquid glue. So that's how you just stick it on. Just another quick and easy way to use your dies with your sticker sheets and with your intricate dies. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to use these sticker double-sided adhesive sheets with your dies, and I hope you do find these sheets wherever you are. I will put all the details down below for you if you are in Australia, where you can purchase these sheets. And I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.